Hello everyone, myself Ranjan. Today I will throw some knowledge about the tropical cyclone. Okay, first of all, tropical cyclone. Okay, tropical cyclone. Its means suggest a violent storm originate over the ocean in which tropical area, and it will due to destruction of a violent wind. Okay, that leads to tropical cyclone because of violent wind. Okay, so some favorable condition is required, and it's a different name depending on a different region. First of all, different names depending on different regions. Like in Indian Ocean, it's called cyclone. In Pacific Ocean, it's called typhoon. In Australia, it's called Willy Willy. In Atlantic, it's called hurricane. Okay, so different name depending on a different region, like in Indian Ocean cyclone, in Pacific Ocean it's typhoon, in Australia Willy Willy, in Atlantic hurricane. So some favorable condition must be required for origination of this cyclone. So first favorable condition require first warm ocean temperature about 26.5 degrees centigrade. Okay, and second require low atmospheric pressure. High pre-existing wind for Coriolis force. Okay, so I'll just tell you a glimpse of how this cyclone form. So first of all, this is sun rays. Okay, this is the oceans. After falling of sun rays on the ocean, ocean become warm. Okay, then air start raise to the atmosphere. This is warm air. Warm air leads to low pressure creation, and this low pressure creation leads to air go on the uprises. After this cold air in the atmosphere just cover this void of space of this low pressure, I mean high pressure. So we always know that movement of air is always from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, so this low air pressure will leads to air will raise upward. After that, this cold air just cover this space of this low pressure. Okay, so this low air and cold air strike each other and form just a generation of a large heat generations, and it will increase in diameter, finally leads to formation of cyclone. Then this is called eye of cyclone. Okay, this is just a glimpse of this how cyclone form. First of all, sun ray fall on the ocean become warm, and this will lead to low pressure creation, and this cold air that is high pressure cover this white space of the low air that is low pressure, and will lead to this warm air rises in the atmosphere, and striking of Korean air, warm air, and leads to generation of large heat leads to formation of cyclone. Okay, so what is this Coriolis force? Role of Coriolis force when we result that formation because of earth rotation, which is Coriolis force maximum on equator. maximum in 500 kilometer in equator, maximum in equator Coriolis force. Okay, so this Coriolis force, air move in the we always know the air movement from for example, this is our earth, this is north pole, this is south pole, this is equator. So we always know that air move from high pressure to low pressure. When we air move from high pressure to low pressure in the northern hemisphere, okay, air just deflected toward the right, because of Coriolis force. Air just deflected to right because of this Coriolis force. Okay, this is the role in the of Coriolis force in the formation of cyclone. So recently in news, this Nisarga cyclone in Arabian Sea. Okay, in Arabian Sea, which hit mostly in region of this Gujarat, Maharashtra. Am I right? So in 2009 originate 5 cyclone in 2019. So 19 like Vayu, Hika, Kyar, Maha, Pavan. Okay, this is just a glimpse. So average diameter of this cyclone is 150 to 250 kilometers. Okay, this is just a glimpse. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. If you like, subscribe and share it. Bye bye.